Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer TikTok drafts and draft settings to a new phone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer TikTok drafts and draft settings to a new phone, start by ensuring both the old and new devices have the TikTok app installed. On your old phone, open the TikTok app. Log into your TikTok account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Locate your drafts by tapping the Drafts folder on your profile page. Take note of the videos you want to transfer. Next, exit the TikTok app on your old device. Now, open the TikTok app on your new phone. Log into your account using the same credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile again. Check for any drafts that may have automatically transferred. If drafts are missing, you will need to publish them from your old phone. Go back to your old phone and open the TikTok app once more. Select each draft video that you wish to keep. Tap the post button but set the visibility to private to ensure they stay hidden. After posting, head back to your new phone. Refresh your profile to see the newly added private videos. Now, navigate to your profile on the new phone again. Your draft settings may not transfer automatically. Adjust any necessary settings that you had on your old device. This includes privacy settings, notification preferences, and account settings. Finally, check that your drafts and settings are to your liking on the new device. You're now ready to continue creating content on your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.